Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today, I don't know if you can tell by the title, I'm going to be, I can't even say it with a straight face, I'm going to be tinting my brows at home. So I took to a poll on Instagram and asked you guys if you guys wanted to see this, because I've been seeing a lot of people doing this, and I kind of was scrolling Amazon and I saw this product. And you guys said yeah, so apparently you guys either want to see me really fail or you guys are interested in doing this yourself at home. I have a few friends who are like experts on brow tinting that live back in LA, and they're like, do not do this, but you know, I'm super curious and I don't want to pay 20 bucks just to tint my brows one time when I can just buy this product for 20 bucks and do it at home 40 times. So I have here the I don't even know how to say this, Godefroy tint kit. It's in the shade medium brown. I was trying to get the light brown, but they didn't sell it on Prime, so I went with medium brown because I wanted free shipping. There's either the medium brown or the dark brown, so I'm just going to open this up. We're going to try to do this real quick because I actually need to get to the gym after this. I really should not be trying to rush to do this, but here we go. We're going to do it. This bad boy comes with the little, I think, color capsules, the developer, a little like mixing bowl, and then a little applicator brush. So that's kind of nice. And then I have this little like sample container that I'm gonna put just a little capsule in there, because I've read some of the reviews that like you only need the tiniest amount of this thing. And when you try to open it like the instructions tells you to, it gets everywhere. So instead of doing that, or my scissors, I'm going to do what people said and just cut a little hole in this guy. I don't know how they instructed. Oh, go like that. It's just to cut a little hole and then only put a little bit in the mixing bowl. Just putting the rest of the capsule in here. Wow, that was a lot of dye. I don't think I need that much. Maybe I should read the instructions. I really hope this goes well. Anyways, I've already washed. I have makeup on, but I just kind of washed off what was on my brows. I have poured this much. Please don't spill everywhere. I poured this much into the bowl, and then I guess I have this much left that I poured from that capsule, so I'm going to save that for a different day. And I guess I'm going to pour in an equal amount of the developer. I really hope this does not go wrong, guys. Okay, here we go. That looks like an equal amount, I hope. I really hope this goes well. I mean, if not, it's not permanent. I can always wash it off, putting my mirror over here so I can actually do this right. And I guess I'm just gonna mix it. I just poured that much of the developer in there, and we're just gonna mix it up and hope for the best. Okay. I just got a cup of water in a rag, a dark rag, so that I can wipe it away later. It says to do it with cotton, but I've watched some videos of people doing this, and they've done it with a rag, because with the cotton it just doesn't come off as great, and if I up, I would rather just wipe it off with the rag and not with the cotton. So, alright guys, here we go. This is what it looks like, all mixed up. I guess I'm just going to take a little bit, and it says to fully saturate my brows. I guess I should brush my brows first. And just gonna get some on the brush, and I guess just start applying. Trying to get like the smallest amount so I'm just not getting it everywhere. Okay, very scared. Here we go. So it says to get it wherever you want it, so just kind of tracing it like where I would usually fill in my brows. And like I said earlier, I'm just gonna do one at a time. That way I don't mess it up. Because if something goes wrong, you can just wipe it off. This is very stressful. Woo! Oh man, okay. I'm just gonna clean this up with a toothpick. Oh my god, no, a Q-tip. It's like turning green now. Hope that this doesn't turn my brows green, because that'll be really awkward. That would be super awkward if my brows were green. Hey Siri, set a 1-minute timer.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
Okay. Well, I guess while that one's kind of going, I'm gonna do the other side. And hope for the best. This is like looking green though in real life, and I'm very scared now. Like, why is it green? That was fast. Okay, well, I'm gonna finish this eye. But like for real, it's starting to look green. And I don't know how I feel about that. Okay. Oh man. Okay, I'm gonna take my, hey Siri, set a minute timer please.
Okay, your timer is set for 1 minute.
Take my, in fact, I feel like I already used this. My cup of water. Get this nice and wet. That's what she said. And I'm gonna, I guess, wipe this off. Okay, here we go. I really can't tell if it's done anything besides make them look a little green. Do they look bad? I feel like I left this one on. I feel like I left this one on a little bit longer than I left this one on. So maybe I should wait to... You can totally see like where I rubbed off my foundation. Can we see a difference? Oh god, please don't. I don't know. Maybe I should do like another one. See if I can make it look a little bit darker. Let's wipe off this one now. Okay, pretty sure I got it all off. See if I can zoom in on this for you guys. I don't know actually. Like, it didn't go bad, so that's kind of nice. But I don't know, like, what if I brush them down? Let's try maybe one more coat and then like a minute on both again and see how it goes. Let's do it. I still have a little bit left, so I mean, might as well use it up. But I mean, it kind of worked. It didn't go bad, so that's a good sign, right? Okay. Hey Siri, set a 1-minute timer.
Your timer is set for 1 minute.
This is really scary. Alright, let's take this bad boy off. The green tint was gonna scare me for a second, but my brows don't actually look green, so that's nice. Where is my spoolie? Let's look at this close up. Okay, I'm not gonna lie. That shit worked. It kind of like tinted my skin under it, so I think that's kind of why it worked so well. But, I mean, they don't look super dark. I've always had like super dark brows anyways, so they don't look like scary dark. I'll get up closer for you guys. Like, I'd say that looks pretty good. I'm fairly impressed. I'm gonna put some brow gel on and see how it looks. Okay, so here's what it looks like with my eyebrow gel on. I mean, it doesn't look bad. And it looks super natural. Like, it doesn't look like I have these like block brows anyways. Here, I can get in closer for you guys. So this is what it looks like. I'm pretty shocked. Like, that was only 20 bucks and it comes with 20 of those capsules, but I only used half. So you can stretch that out to 40. And even with the half that I used, I still have a lot left in there. Like, there's still a good amount of dye left in there. So even I think if you would do like a fourth of it, you could stretch this out for a good amount because you only need the tiniest amount for your brows. So I think it's a pretty good investment. I mean, even once a week, that's still a lot cheaper than going to someone to tint your brows for 20 bucks and it's only going to last you a month. So I mean, I'm sold. You know, I'm not a trained professional, so this is just me testing it out and it worked for me. But by all means, if you're going to do this at home, please be careful. Patch test first. I didn't because ain't no one got time for that over here. But if you have super sensitive skin and you're sensitive to dye, please, please, please be careful. Do not get it in your eye. The directions, I don't know how super accurate they are. Like I said, it told me to leave it on for a minute to 2 minutes. And I left it on for 2 minutes and I didn't really see too much of a difference. And then so I did another minute and it was fine. So just kind of play around with it. Again, if you do mess it up, it's not permanent, so you can easily wash it off. Okay, hi guys, I just wanted to pop on here real quick. It's the next day actually, and yesterday after I did the eyebrow tinting, I washed all my makeup off, and then I went to the gym and sweated. And then one of my friends who does eyebrow tinting and like lash lifts for a living was like, you know, you're not supposed to get your brows wet or sweat after you do brow tinting, right? And I'm like, oh, and of course they kind of like faded off, so I had to redo them again today. So just an FYI, if you're gonna do brow tinting at home, do not get your brows wet or do not sweat or anything for at least 8 hours after you do the brow tinting, because then it'll just get sweated off or it'll get washed off and it'll be pointless and you'll waste your time. So yeah, just want to pop on here and say that. Okay, cool. Let's get back into it. Alright guys, that's it for me. I hope you guys found this video helpful. I'm still super surprised that this actually worked. I was really scared because everybody kept telling me not to do it. But then a lot of you guys kept saying that you guys wanted me to do it. So here I am. I now have tinted brows. Let's see how long it will hold up. Hopefully it holds up for a good amount of time. I will update you guys on that one. Okay guys, I hope that this video isn't super long. I try to do it as quickly as possible, but you know, I tend to ramble on. Before I let you guys go, I have one favor to ask you. So I applied to be a Sephora Squad influencer. If you guys haven't seen that campaign going around, basically Sephora is reaching out to smaller influencers to join their team. And Sephora has been just one of those stores that I have shopped at and have loved ever since I got into makeup, which was when I was like 11, and even before that I've loved beauty and everything about beauty since I was little, and beauty is a big part of my life. I know I'm mostly focused on health and wellness, but beauty is still something I'm super passionate about. And I applied, and I mean, even if I don't get it, I still at least tried. But I think it would be such just a dream come true if I was chosen. So I'm just asking you guys to click on the link in the description box down below and just fill out a little quick testimonial for me. It doesn't have to be super long. It only takes a couple minutes, but just let them know how I've helped you on your beauty journey, or if I've helped you with finding your favorite acne products, or just get into the world of clean beauty, whatever it is that I've helped you with, or whatever it is that brings you back to my channel and brings you back to my Instagram, just let them know. And I would just greatly appreciate it if you can do that for me. I love that Sephora is coming out with all of their Clean at Sephora campaigns. As you guys know, I love clean beauty, and I just think that it would be an amazing thing to be a part of if I were to be chosen as an influencer for Sephora, and I get to work with all the clean beauty brands and things like that. And then think of all the amazing giveaways that I can do for you guys with all this stuff that I'm gonna get. So it could be a win-win, you know? But yeah, I just appreciate all the love and support that you guys have shown me these past couple years, and I just hope that we can continue to grow this community and just be an awesome place for everybody. So I'm gonna stop talking now. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. I was super scared at first, but it turned out to be okay. Again, if you're gonna do this, do it at your own risk. Don't come for me if something bad happens, okay? I don't want to be the reason. But if it does work out for you, cool. I got mine on Amazon. I can just link it for you guys down below, the one that I got. And yeah, if you guys did like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos like this. And let me know in the comments down below what you want to see from me next, or what you enjoyed about this video, thoughts, comments, concerns, all that fun stuff. I love to chat with you guys, and I will see you guys in my next video. I hope you guys have a great day. Bye!